Hi, my name is Eula, and in today's video tutorial, I will be showing you how to download, install, and navigate your way around our new VC4 platform. It is very important that you download and install the software on your laptop or computer in order to run VC4. Please note, however, that this new VC software will not replace the current VC3 platform. Please expect that at some point in the near future, you may be switching between VC versions during your teaching hours. Which VC you will teach in will depend on the type of VC the student uses. To start, put your username and password and sign in. On your home page, you will see on the left-hand side your VC tools. This is where you can find the links to download the different versions of the software depending on your computer, whether it's a Windows or Mac. Click on the appropriate link to download the installer. Click on the installer. Please note that you will need to exit the program after the installation process in order for you to enter your next class. You will need to do this every time you have a class using VC4, otherwise you will not be able to enter the next class. Go to your MIS and click on Schedule. Entering the VC4 platform will be done through your MIS schedule. When you see your class, click on Enter, then enter your classroom. If the app doesn't launch automatically, just click here. Your VC4 will be launched, and the VC will automatically run the check when you log in to the classroom. Click Start button in the middle or on the upper left corner to start your class. The VC will automatically record the class. Please note that once your class starts recording, it will record your entire desktop. You should not be doing anything outside of your class responsibilities, as anything you do will be captured during the recording. These are the buttons shown on the top of the VC once you start the class. You can choose a different channel if the current one is not stable. Click the button to test or select your speaker, microphone, or camera. This is your toolbar on the right. To add and open the files you upload in the VC, click this icon. These are the types of files you can upload in the VC when you click on Add. You can add new paper, or you can add a courseware here. The VC will keep the files uploaded by teachers as long as you don't delete them by yourself. This means you can keep the warm-up videos, games, or any necessary visual aids in the cloud for all classes. This icon shows all the pages in the VC. To save the current page, click here. Now let's look at the toolbar on the left. This is your mouse button. Here is your laser pen. To write on the whiteboard or your slides, click on the pen. You may choose to use a line or an arrow with this icon. For hollow shapes such as circles, square, triangle, click on this. Use this to type in any text on the page. To choose color and thickness, click on these two icons. To upload a picture file, click here. You can use the eraser by clicking on this icon, then clicking on the marks that you made on the page. You can also clean the entire page by clicking here. To undo or redo what is done on your page, click on these icons. Here is your teacher and student image as well as your chat box. The chat box is located underneath the student's image, but there is no translation function in VC4 anymore. Instead of clicking on the blank space to trigger animations in the PPT material or to turn the pages back and forth, the teacher can click on the arrows at the bottom of the VC to do this. Please note that there are no tools like timer or spinning wheel available in the VC4. Also, there will be no teaching guides visible in the VC4. In addition, the videos inserted in the PPT material cannot be played, unlike in the VC3.